Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-407C-Rate-Min Production Line Counter. This order is going out to C&M Antonio Filo Pastry, which is a bakery production company that is based out in Australia. What the customer aims to accomplish by using this product is to count the number of batches that are being produced and the rate of the number of objects that are being made per minute. How this works is the object sensor causes the counter to increment when a batch is in front of it, and the rate goes up the more objects get sensed and is calculated per minute. So I'm going to showcase how this is meant to work. So I'm going to place a piece of paper in front of the object sensor, and as you can see, the total counter is incrementing the more I wave the piece of paper in front of it, the object sensor. So as you can see right now, the total is 43, and the rate right now, it says high because that means it has reached the maximum threshold for the number of digits that the rate section can display. So that means you can only display a total of 99. So I have in my hands right here our wireless handheld remote controller, and you can use this to manually increment the number of batches that are going through. So you press +1 to add a digit, press -1 to subtract a digit, and you press 0 to reset everything back to 0. And you can press the set button to increment gradually, and in order to stop it, you just press the set button again, and that is all there is to it. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is an aluminum tough fingerprint resistant black powder coated enclosure with the dimensions of 32 inches wide, 16 inches tall, and 2.25 inches deep. Its display size is 4 inches and can be viewed up to a total of 120 feet. The number of digits are 2 for the rate counter and 5 for the total, and the rate can display a total of 99, and the total counter can display a grand total of 99,999. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC with a 6 feet power cord that is directly grounded into the enclosure itself. For mounting, we have 5 adjustable teardrop mounting tabs that are located on the top of the backside of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our WRC4T wireless handheld remote controller with 4 sealed membrane push button inlaid on the handheld front side, and it has a range of 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. We also have our diffused reflective object sensor that detects objects that are in a 10-foot range, and it comes in a 25-foot cord that is connected via an NPN terminal block on the backside of the enclosure. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-407C Rate-Min Production Line Counter. Thanks for watching.